With the Gospel Project, leading a meaningful Bible study experience for babies and toddlers is easy. To get started, all you need is a leader guide. Simply use the same leader guide for each group and focus on the portions written for the group you lead. Several activities are suggested for babies. Each week, choose the activities that work best for you and then weave them into your normal rhythm. You will notice that gospel gems are included in the text. Consider whispering these gems or even telling the toddler Bible story to the babies as you rock them, change them, feed them, or play with them. For toddlers, you also choose the activities that will work best in your context and then weave them into your normal rhythm. You will notice a circle time suggestion for telling the Bible story. But if you can't make that work, you tell the story during some other part of your time, such as during snack or even one-on-one as the toddlers play. If you have a second hour with your toddlers, the bonus teaching hour provides additional activities. Or if you only have the 1 hour, you can draw from these additional activities to give you even more options. With all these resources at your fingertips, leading the youngest learners is easy, fun, and meaningful. Thank you so much for choosing the Gospel Project for your babies and toddlers.